Okay, so now let's go through the DVC interfaces. Now, through a laptop, you can access the DVC operator interface provided by our service team after the installation. We highly suggest to use Google Chrome as a browser and simply connect to the URL provided by our team. Once connecting, now Christian is using a laptop in the animal room. Once connecting, there is always by default a username and password provided by us. The username is facility, password is facility_00 with capital F. By logging into the DVC operator interface, you have access to many functionalities we will see later, but now we want to focus on the first mandatory step. In the DVC system, everything starts by registering a cage. When the cage is registered, it starts collecting data. It starts to be monitored by the system for any kind of alarm. In the DVC, as you can see from the real-time rec view interface, you can register 3 different types of cages. Green are the stock cages, blue are the experimental cages, and kind of violet or pink are the breeding cages. When you see a gray cage, it means that it is not registered. And there are 4 different methods to register a cage. Now Christian will show you the first one, that is through the rec view interface. It's going to register a specific cage already placed in the rec with animals. The cage name is C41, and basically through the DVC operator interface it's possible to click on the cage, type the name of the cage ID, and insert as many mice as needed. Here you can see that simply by inserting the number of mice, in this case with a specific ID, or could be also generic mice, they will immediately appear. Then, by clicking the Edit All Animals button, you can assign to all the mice the same information, like, for instance, the sex, the strain, and the date of birth. And that's it. I mean, saving, it's already prepared, as you can see, and from this moment, this cage is generating data and is monitored by the DVC system. When you remove the cage, it's also removed from the rack. When it is inserted into another position, it is appearing in the other position as well. This is the first way to register a cage.